Today we're visiting Auto Collision. Next week is Sophomore Career Days, and we can't wait to see y'all there.
Watch to the end where we go next.
Have a great Thanksgiving break. Okay, who am I here with?
Anthony.
Alex.
And what program are y'all in?
Auto Collision.
And what do you do in this lab?
Everything on the exterior. Painting, polishing the clear coat, fixing dents, welding, everything. Rust removal.
All right, let's get a tour.
So an important part of why we tear things down is estimating purposes. We had someone come into us and they said they got in a minor fender bender. We took off their bumper because it didn't look too bad, but once we took off their bumper, it turns out they had frame damage in the front of their car. And that's a little more serious than just a little scuff.
I'm a 1981 C3 Corvette, all stock, and we have it in here of an original total paint job. But one of the things we got to do after and before that is we got to clean it out.
It's actually dents there, so we would take, we have special hammers that are like very flat on top. You want to put more dents in there. You take a dolly, just like a chunk of metal, you put it behind there, you smack it down flat, and then we would have to sand it down, repaint it, re-clear it, polish it, and make it look brand new. A lot of what we do in here is custom paint work. Want to make a car look pretty. This is where you want to go.
Thanks for watching this week's Find It Out Friday.
Tune in next time to go to
Firefighter EMS.
Deuces!